Well, hello to all of our YouTube subscribers and friends. Beenie and I want to say hello. We hope you're well, getting well, and staying safe. We love all of you and send you prayers if you need them. I've been thinking about Beenie's health and mixing in his little pellets. I have a mixture I give him of Harrison's and the Fever's pellets, and I'm using top Parrots, but I usually use Bird Tricks or organic bird food. That's his favorite. And I have a link to Bird Tricks parrot food if you're interested. Just let me know and I'll get it for you. He's been eating it almost all of his life and he loves it. I hadn't got it for a while because I just couldn't afford it, but he hasn't been happy, so I ordered it again. He's used to it and missed it, so I decided I better get it again because his health is most important. Yeah, and he didn't seem happy. He could tell it wasn't the same food. But I've been putting it here with the oatmeal because I wasn't thinking before. You got to make sure your bird gets all the nutrition he or she needs. Yeah. And they need to eat their pellets. It's like the balance that they need if you can't get it in individual, if you know how to balance out fruits and mainly vegetables and things, and he does get a little treat of Nutriberries throughout the day. I give him one twice a day, but this is what he mainly needs to eat, and I just want to make sure you know too that nutrition is very important for your parrots or any bird you get. They're all different species might require a different nutrition, so make sure you read up on the nutrition of your parrot or dove or pigeon, whatever, or your crow. I know some people that take in crows that aren't able to live in the wild, and they require something totally different. So, okay, wonderful to send this to all of you. You take care. We love you. Love, big hugs, birdie kisses. Take care. Stay safe.